విద్యార్థులు క్రమశిక్షణ పట్టుదల ఉంటే జీవితంలో ఏదైనా సాధించవచ్చన్నారు చెన్నూరు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎమ్మెల్యే వివేక్ వెంకటస్వామి. సికింద్రాబాద్ హరిహర కళాభవన్లో నిర్వహించిన శ్రీ సాయి విజ్ఞాన్ భారతి కళాశాల 32వ వార్షిక వేడుకలకు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా హాజరయ్యారు వివేక్ వెంకటస్వామి. స్టూడెంట్స్ కు నాణ్యమైన విద్యను అందిస్తున్న కాలేజీ యాజమాన్యాన్ని ఎమ్మెల్యే వివేక్ అభినందించారు. విద్యార్థుల సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు అందరినీ ఆకట్టుకున్నాయి.
But one significant thing which is there in Hyderabad Public School is, out of the top 10 CEOs in the world, 5 of them are from Hyderabad Public School, which clearly indicates that to achieve to the top, one needs all-round development. So I am glad Sri Sai Vignan Bharati institutions under Mr. Sai Baba and the chairperson for the last 32 years, they have done a selfless sacrifice, selfless work in ensuring that so many students come out of these institutions successfully. My advice to all the students is from my personal experience. Actually, I passed out from Usmania Medical College as a graduate, but I never practiced medicine. I switched to business. And when I switched to business, my business of Visakha Industries is one of the top 5 industries in Telangana. And we have always maintained a high discipline in the organization, a good culture in the organization, and we have been one of the few companies which service the banks, financial institutions, shareholders, employees and everybody very satisfactorily. I mean at the highest level of compliances. So what I learned from my experience in Visakha Industries was the discipline I learned in school, the determination to achieve something in life. So the same principle I followed when I moved from business to politics. So many people didn't imagine that when we were fighting for Telangana, that this could be achieved. But I think we as a team of MPs, we were able to coordinate with each other and we convinced the top people on how to achieve Telangana. In many aspects in our struggle in politics, when we take up some issue, I have been able to go to the logical end to achieve that success. So my advice to all the students here is, please have goals for yourself.